Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. We are on the platform of Master of Project Academy, which is providing free courses for the students and employees of IT, CS, and business. Also, there is a chance of 99.6% for completing your course in first attempt. And also, there is 100% online self-paced courses are here. You can see the course provider along with HP, and here total 5 lakh plus enrollments are there, means already 5 lakh plus peoples are joined here from 180 plus countries. And the featured courses you get here is PMP certification training, PMP online virtual training. Here all the featured courses which is showing here is paid, so doesn't need to sign up here. These courses are from $70 to more than $1,000, but we are here for free certification. Now I am going to show you how you get your free courses. Here there is an option of free courses. When you go through option tab on above right, and here you get free courses of PMP and CPM training. These courses you doesn't get on any platform for free. And after that there is a PMI ACP training. These all are very important for the employees of different companies. And here also for the students, free Microsoft project training program, free Principal 2 program, and also free Agile screen training. These all are trainings, but as I observed, these are all like the courses which we done every day. And also there are courses of Six Sigma here, which is a best course for any employees of any company. So if you do the Sigma courses or CCNA courses here, then it is a great benefit for you. And now I'm going to show you sign up process of this courses. Here I am going to sign up for free ethical hacking course. Firstly, I am going to show you the benefits of doing free ethical hacker training in here. Firstly, you can see there are enrollment option. You just tap on get started, then you start here your course. And here features: one lecture, only 30-minute course, no credit card required, lifetime access, 100% online self-paced course, and course completion certificate is also here. What do I get in this course? You get a free ethical hacking course materials, also a video lecture from a learned instructor, and also there is a participation certificate which you can download after this course. Who is ideal for this course? You can see on your screen, and what is in this free ethical training online program. You can also read when you go through it. These courses are recognized by some big brands, some top companies of the world. And here some frequently asked question when we start and finish these courses. These are self-paced course and also with lifetime access. And here is the instructor, and there is an option of enroll now. When you tap on this, you get an enrollment tab. Here you have to enter only some basic details, your name, email ID, and password. And after that there is a sign up option. Just tap on it, you get a confirmation email on your email. After that you have to confirm your email, get a confirmation email option. Just tap on it, and after that there is confirmation completed, and now you can enjoy your courses. Just tap on go to courses. Here the course which I joined, and there is an option of join LinkedIn group. When you join this, you become a member of community where IT, CS, and business professionals share their ideas. And here the course contains, you can go through it, and after the completion you get your certificate. This much for this video. Thanks you all for watching this.